Not too shabby.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Tuesday morning, March 26th. Yep, 2024. 7:20 in the morning. I am in Winter Garden, Florida. The Winter Garden area, west of the greater Orlando area. We have a lot of nice properties, homes, retail, commercial, not too much industrial. I don't think any industrial, but we have a lot of rentals, townhouses, co-ops, very, very, very upper class. We have homes that are generally starting in a $500,000 range and go north of, $20, $30 million, when you get into Windermere. A little cuckoo if you ask me. Anyway, yesterday afternoon, when we finished up the day at Pipe Doctor Home Services in Central Florida, I had left accidentally a few uniforms, shirts, tops, at my partner's house. And so right now I'm wearing a black t-shirt. I'm a little early, so I'm making sure that I arrive in uniform, right, which is following company procedures and policies. It's like showing up to work with leggings, camouflage leggings, You just don't do it. Now you may be wondering, Mikey Pipes, what do you mean camouflage leggings? Isn't that acceptable? Especially when you have gender identity disorders? People who suffer gender identity... Bruce Jenner. God bless America. And thank God, my right to free speech. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Apparently, it's a new construction on phase 2 of what was a 7,400 square foot home here. Just in case 7,400 square feet wasn't enough, you can always add more, as long as you got the land and the dinero. Where are we? We're up there.
So
Master bathroom?
yeah. No, that's just a guest bath. You got a toilet and a lab with your vent coming off the toilet line right there.
Gotcha.
Goes up to the floor. You have your shower here, and then it kind of makes like a U there because that's where we exit over there and then drop down outside. We have 2 more labs on the other side, but that's on a whole different sewer line because we had a 2-inch vent coming up from a 2-inch line that we ran for the laundry sink.
Okay.
Back here. But yeah, see what I'm talking about? I had to put my ladder right here and then lean across and put all that together. So we had a leak right there at that 3x2Y.
All right, so here we have a movie theater. Very nice. You're gonna have the wet bar, the popcorn machine, the ice machine, all that good stuff. You go up a couple steps. There's a storage closet. This is a bathroom. Laundry. What I don't get is this. I want to call it a disaster, but we have a 5-ton carrier air handler here. It's got that ECM motor in there. See that? And look at how you have this supply plenum on top of this unit, and then going to this 12-inch, this 12-inch duct. I kid you not. There's no more up there. See? Thought I was bullshitting you, right? You have a 5-ton system. You see that? Talk about a restriction of airflow. Talk about having crazy static pressure issues here. This is insane. This could be a short in itself. We have the ultraviolet cleaner ballast there. We have the bulb up there. Man. But they had no place for this down below because they changed the directions of the trusses above. Crazy. We'll get back to this in a second. This is the guy's office. Sink. I'm going to show you guys something real quick. If you look all the way in the distance, you can see that little bump out all the way at the horizon. Looks like it's like a little plateau, dead center, right? That's the Disney Contemporary Hotel Resort. And if you look right now, dead center of the screen, looks like you have like a little spire sticking out of the middle. Oh, that's the Magic Kingdom castle. And every night, if this family would like to, they can hop on their spiral staircase to the 3rd floor viewing deck. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Winter Park, Florida. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are in the Winter Garden, if you're in the Winter Garden area, Windermere, Winter Garden area of Central Florida, and you need a prompt, professional, reliable, and courteous plumbing and HVAC contractor, from a leak under your kitchen sink to a toilet, to a water heater, to your air conditioning system, your heat pump, water treatment systems, give me a call, 407-375-1100. Me and my team, my family, would love to help you out. My name is Mike Dyke, licensed master plumber in the states of Florida, South Carolina, and New York. Thanks for watching. All right, so here we are. We're in the kitchen, and we're going to fill up the drainage system with water to test for any leaks. It's called putting the system on test. So we have the discharge end blocked off, and we're filling this up with water, and we're going to test for any leaks. We have an inspection later on today. So that is the stack. I believe that may be the vent. I'd have to double check upstairs. This a 3x2Y rolled on a 45. That's picking up, I believe it's picking up 2 sinks. And here we have another 3x2Y, and that's picking up the shower. And it comes across there. I don't know what's going on over there, but we can see that from the other side. But so far, I don't see anything leaking. Let's see if we can see. No. Would have to go on the other side and see what's going on in there. But I guess so far so good. Well, I guess I'll show you in a minute with that. Oh, no, you got a leak on that coupling downstream of the 3x2Y picking up the shower. All right, I'm gonna take you guys outside. Let's see. Oh,
I guess they just love doing shitty jobs here in Florida. Where's that waste pipe end up? Oh, there it is. Oh. She's a leaker, Mama. She's a leaker. That nice, beautiful Renai. Oh, dump it. Cooper, this is Mikey Pipes from Mikey Pipes News Network. Any comments on your second leak?
I don't know. I don't know what's going on.
All right. He's obviously contemplating the leak that he's got, but he'll fix it, and we'll get this job passed. All right now we're on take 2. We have 2 3-inch no-hub couplings right there. We cut out that coupling that was unfortunately leaking, and we got the system back on test. In a little bit, I'm going to show you the test tee, which is outside on the right wall, exterior of the house. You already saw upstairs. So we're gonna fill this up with water to the top, and we're gonna make sure we have no leaks. And God willing, we'll have none other than the one we just repaired. What I am trying to figure out, though, is that right there. What is up with that? Let's see. Look. Why is that way? We have a 45, another 45, another 45, and another 45. What's up with that? What the fuck is up with that? I'm confused. I'm really confused. What's that about? Hey, Cooper. Cooper? Yeah. I got a question for you. Can you hear me? What's up? You have 4 3-inch 45s up here making a 90-degree turn. Yeah. Why? Because
we had to twist the fittings to make that turn. I tried to use a long sweep 90, but it didn't work.
Okay. So how come you didn't just use 2 45s?
I did.
No, use 4 45s.
Because I had to bring it all the way around.
Why?
Because that's where our sewer connection was.
Okay.
That was the only place we were able to make that work.
I hear you.
I'll show you.
Okay, I'm curious.
Yeah, because there's a washer box right on top of that. Right on the other side of that wall.
Okay. I see that. Then why didn't we just cut it like back right here? And then this was too long. Huh. And another. That sucks.